Hello, welcome back. Now let's see how to create a Apache Spark pool. So right now we are in Synapse Analytics Overview tab, and you could see we have an option to create dedicated SQL pool, Apache Spark pool, or new Data Explorer pool. And you could see we don't have any pool. We have one SQL pool which is serverless, but we don't have any Spark pool or Data Explorer pool. So let's create a new Apache Spark pool. So in order to create new Apache Spark pool, you could use new Apache Spark pool button, or you could go to Synapse and from there also we could create new Apache Spark pool. So I'm going to click on new Apache Spark pool. Now we need to enter some basic information. First we need to specify our Spark pool name. So you could specify any name. I'm going to specify Spark 3.1 or 31. So let's use this name and let's select the isolated compute as disabled. So if you need a infrastructure isolated, so if your organization required a isolated infrastructure, you could enable this option. Otherwise, you will be sharing the infrastructure across different Azure customers. Now we have option to select node size, and we have two options. Either we could select memory optimized or hardware optimized. And you could see there is a slight price difference. So if you go to this URL and if you select Big Data Analytics, you could see the price for memory optimized as well as GPU accelerated. So you could see there is a slight difference in the price, and depending upon your requirement, either you could use memory optimized or GPU accelerated. And so I'm going to use memory optimized. Let's select the node size. So you could see we have an option to select medium, small, large, or XL. So there are different types of node size are there, and I am going to use one of the very basic. But if you select the large, you could see the price will increase and you will get large number of core. And if you select small, or in small you will get 4 core, and you could see the price change. Also we have option to enable auto scale. So if you select auto scale, and you could specify minimum node and maximum node, and if you disable, you will always get a minimum number of nodes. And if you use Apache Spark pool, you must use at least 3 nodes. And in the case of auto scale, you could specify minimum node and maximum node, and your load will start from 3 and it will increase up to 5. So I'm going to use 3 nodes, and let's disable auto scale. Now we have a few more options there. Dynamically allocate executor. I'm not going to use this option, and you could see the estimated price per hour. So this is the estimated cost per hour. Now let's go to additional settings, and this is the important part. You should enable auto pausing, and you should specify a minimum number or minimum minute. So if the Spark pool is ideal for a certain period, it automatically pause. Otherwise you will be charged. So if you disable, you will be charged. Now we can't specify a value below 5. You should always specify at least 5 minutes. So I'm going to specify 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, if the system is ideal, it will automatically pause and it will release the Spark nodes. Now we have an option to select a Spark version, and I'm going to select the latest version, but if you want, you could select the previous version. Now let's go with the allow session level package enabled, and I'm not going to use intelligent cache. So if you want to use cache, you could specify the memory. Now let's go to tags, and I am not going to specify any tags. Let's go to review and let's review the current configuration. So you could see which are the configuration we selected. We selected small 4 core 32 GB. Then auto scaling is disabled, and we selected minimum 3 node, and other configuration you could see here. Let's click on create. So our deployment has started, and it may take 3 or 5 minutes. So we are going to create a new Apache Spark pool, And in the upcoming videos, we will discuss how to use this Spark pool. We will discuss how to create a notebook and how to access data from a data lake using this Spark pool. So we are going to learn how to use Apache Spark pool in the upcoming video. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.